The new MP14N control system with 12-inch touch display. Hänel launched the new Hänel MP14N controller in a world premiere at CeMAT 2016. The 12-inch high-resolution touch display supports maximum ease of use with plenty of space for vast amounts of information. This is ideal for the presentation of user interfaces for various ERP systems directly at the storage system terminal. This is possible thanks to the integrated SOAP interface. The fully integrated warehouse management system has also been optimized for the large display and improved in terms of functionality and convenience. There is no need for a classic alphanumeric keyboard with the MP14N. Texts are entered using the virtual keyboard displayed directly on the touchscreen. This saves space and allows for the optimal placement of the keypad and function keys. The 12-inch screen is ideal for displaying images of articles and container configurations. Just like the MP12N, 4 operating modes are integrated in the MP14N. The MP14N standalone, host data, host COM, and host web controllers give you more storage flexibility. The MP14N uses the latest browser technology to display information. Integrating the MP14N in existing networks is completed quickly, just as it is with the MP12N. In terms of functionality and ease of use, Hänel has again taken a decisive step forward with the development of the MP14N controller. At CeMAT 2016, visitors experienced a new dimension in order processing with the MP14N.